video for you if you are writing WAEC exams, this 2024 exam. You know that there is a strike that is looming, which potentially may affect the ongoing WAEC exams. WAEC has been going on for many weeks now. Before this labor strike, there is this Nigerian Labour Congress that wants to go in on strike from this week, from 3rd of June 2024, and WAEC is ongoing. So WAEC released a statement responding to that, and I need you to know that immediately. Look at this. I'll just read out what the letter says for you to read. It said, WAEC for school candidates 2024. Notice of commencement of indefinite strike by Nigeria Labour Congress, NLC and TUC Trade Union Congress. This letter was released officially on May 31st. I'll read the letter for you. By the way, if you need our assistance, if you have not gotten your timetable, if you need past questions, if you need help, if you want to join our study group, online study group on WhatsApp, if you need assistance in WAEC or in any way, JAM, NECO, WAEC, just do 3 things now. Like this video, just like this video, share it, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe to this YouTube channel, come under the comments and tell me that you have subscribed. Then I'll begin to guide you. Send all the materials you need for you to pass your WAEC exam. Now look at the letter. It said, the attention of the management has been drawn to a notice of the commencement of indefinite strike by NLC, that's Nigerian Labour Congress, and TUC, effective Monday, 3rd June 2024. Please be formally informed that the conduct of WASC, that is the WAEC exam, goes on as scheduled. That means they are not stopping the WAEC because of the strike. Even if the strike continues, WAEC exam will not stop. It will continue. There is no holding on the exam. Please be formally informed that the conduct of WAEC goes on as scheduled. As much as we share the concerns of the union and the generality of the Nigerians, the WASC SC is going on across member countries. You know that WAEC is not written only in Nigeria. There are many other countries that are involved. And the Nigerian child should not be put to disadvantage of missing the exam. So you are not stopping your WAEC, because even if there is a strike, the strike may go on, but WAEC exams will continue in Nigeria. For the aforesaid reason, WAEC will conduct the exam, and school principals, supervisors, parents, and the general public should please take note. So I'm giving you this video as a WAEC student, or as a parent or a guardian of somebody writing WAEC, for you to take note. WAEC exams is continuing. There is nothing like stopping the exam because of any strike. Remember, I said I want you to join our study group. I want to send you materials, timetables, past question, syllabus for your WAEC, NECO, JAM. Any help you need in this examination, you can go over to our YouTube channel and see some of the videos we have done. Simply subscribe to our YouTube channel, to this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorial. Subscribe to it right now. Drop a comment now that you have subscribed, and like this video immediately. Comment, share this video. Share this video in all the groups, WAEC group that you belong to, all the platforms that you belong to, so that nobody will miss the exam. If you love your friend, please give them this video, so that none of them will miss this exam thinking that there will be strike. Share this video widely so that more and more people will continue their exam. I wish you all the best. Comment right now when you subscribe. Just subscribe, comment, and I will start a relationship with you to help you to pass and prepare for your examinations. God bless you.